Navien240s tankless water heater, revolutionizing plumbing services in Texas. Introduction. In the realm of hot water solutions for plumbing in Texas, homeowners are constantly seeking innovative and reliable options. Enter the Navien240s tankless water heater. With its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance, this remarkable device has swiftly emerged as the preferred choice for those in search of an efficient and dependable water heating solution. Uninterrupted hot water supply. The Navien240s tankless water heater guarantees a continuous flow of hot water, effortlessly meeting the demands of even the most bustling households. Unlike traditional water heaters that store and heat a finite amount of water, the Navien240s employs on-demand heating, ensuring an uninterrupted stream of hot water whenever it is required. Bid farewell to icy showers and embrace the opulence of constant comfort. Energy efficiency. In a state like Texas, where energy costs can be significant, selecting an energy-efficient water heating solution is paramount. The Navien240s excels in this regard. By harnessing advanced condensing technology and a high-efficiency heat exchanger, the Navien240s achieves remarkable energy savings compared to conventional tank-based systems. It heats water solely when necessary, effectively eliminating standby energy losses commonly associated with storage tank heaters. Space-saving design. For homeowners grappling with limited space, the Navien240s tankless water heater presents a compact and space-saving design. Unlike its cumbersome traditional counterparts that demand dedicated storage areas, the Navien240s can be conveniently wall-mounted, freeing up valuable floor space in utility rooms or basements. This sleek design seamlessly caters to both new construction projects and retrofitting endeavors. Endurance and longevity. Navien has fostered an esteemed reputation for unwavering commitment to quality and durability. The Navien240s tankless water heater exemplifies this dedication. Crafted with meticulous precision, utilizing high-quality components and undergoing rigorous testing procedures, it ensures unwavering reliability. With regular maintenance and servicing by trusted plumbing professionals, the Navien240s tankless water heater will provide years of hassle-free hot water supply. Cutting-edge technological features. The Navien240s tankless water heater is equipped with an array of advanced technological features that elevate its performance and convenience. Seamlessly connecting to Wi-Fi and offering mobile app control, it provides unparalleled customization options. Intelligent preheating and recirculation systems further optimize hot water usage, delivering the utmost in comfort and energy efficiency. Conclusion. If you are in search of a transformative water heating solution for your plumbing system in Texas, look no further than the Navien240s tankless water heater. With its endless hot water supply, energy efficiency, space-saving design, durability, and cutting-edge features, the Navien240s epitomizes the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and savings. Consult with a professional plumbing service in Texas to explore the full spectrum of options and benefits offered by the Navien240s tankless water heater. Bid farewell to chilly showers and welcome the boundless joy of hot water with the Navien240s.